What's up YouTube, JF Rides here, welcome back to the channel. So as you all know, this is my beautiful KTM Duke 390 and as you can see it's in pretty bad shape. A lot of dust, there's a lot of construction going on in my surrounding area, so the bike is just covered in dust. So currently I use this cover to cover the bike. To be honest, using this cover doesn't make a big difference because neither is this waterproof and neither does it protect the bike when it comes to dust. I mean, even after putting this cover on the bike, dust somehow still manages to get on the bike, as you can see. And at the same time, also the other issue is that there are a lot of cats in my building. They tend to like the seat of the bike, so they like sitting on the seat even after putting the cover. So my solution to that was to take those stones and keep on the seat, which did reduce them climbing into the bike, but the damage has already been done. As you can see, these uh, small claw marks. uh, I was looking to get a new cover that would actually protect the bike. As you can see, certain, I think this is cement or paint, I don't know what, but that's kind of fallen on the bike, so I got to get the bike washed now. But yeah, this cover isn't cutting it and it's not protecting the bike the way it should be. So I was looking forward to get a proper cover that would actually protect the bike.
Several days later.
What's up YouTube? So we finally have received a package from Polyvault and now we're going to unbox this package. So let us begin. I hope I don't cut the fabric or anything. So we have finally unboxed the box, and right on top we have the fabric that goes on top of the cover. After that we have the metal frame parts. These are which go on top, and then we have the side or I don't know what they call this, but these are the bars that go on the side that hold the structure together. We also have a few other pieces of metal, and I'm gonna take a look at the instruction manual to understand how to set it up. I have my friend Shonil over here to help me. We're just unwrapping all the plastic now. We took a look at the manual and now we're finally ready to install the Polyvault, like assemble it. So first what you have to do is uh, get the sets of screws and install them in this. Now next we take a H clamp and now we have to. So we have installed it. Is it not going in? हाँ mine went. Done? Okay. Next is we get one of these U bends and mine also is in. That's more than enough. And you leave it. Now we take the connecting rods, the long ones. I'll get the camera a little closer. So what we have done is, you first attach one of the bolts. Is this a bolt or a nut? Yeah. So you attach one nut first. Then after you've attached one nut, you connect the rod. Sorry, there's a lot of background noise because there's a bulldozer passing by. After you attach the connecting rod, you put the second nut.
This also one will be there, no?
Yeah, there is na.
One no.
Yeah, one. So now what we do is we get the other set of screws. Hold this. And now we attach it over here. Now we attach the U bend. Pull it out a little. Push. So now most of the structure is done. Like the main holding part of the structure is done. It is a little bigger than I expected it to be. Babe.
Yeah, even I know.
I thought it would be a little smaller. Wait, ready? Shit. I forgot to take the rod only. I'm like, where? What do I put it in?
I'm done.
Pull it out.
What?
Wait.
I didn't push the rod closer in now.
You put it in, na?
Ah.
It's tight on. Leave. Now. Now we get the fabric. One tip of advice, assemble this wherever you plan on keeping the shelter. So keep that in mind. Now we have figured out a place because it was a little bigger than I expected it to be. So instead of parking the bike in the front of my building, I'm parking it at the back.
I'll fix it here. Yours is fixed. The same thing there again.
Pull it out.
You fix it then.
Push. Not going in, no? Bas, ho gaya. Around that much only, area. Proper. Yeah.
So now what do you
So
do?
base and the top is fixed. The inside you have to tie the.
That will tie now. Correct these, no?
Let's see. The flat.
What should I?
Yeah, bro. Very visible inside.
I don't know what you're talking about. Please.
No, I can see everything. What to do? Finally, we are done with assembling this. I mean, it's very simple to assemble. It's just that me and my friend are, I would say I am stupid. But yeah, we finally have done it. I think it took us around 25 minutes. You can do this in like 5-10 minutes as well if you're very good with DIY stuff. But other than that, it was pretty simple, I would say. It's time to put the bike in. So when I was inside the cover, maybe with the flash on. So all the places where there are the bars, you have to either attach it with Velcro or, as you can see here, there are like ropes. So you tie it, and this is for each of the bars that are there. So ensure that you have tied it properly, and then it will do its job the way it's supposed to. So Dawad fully to the left, I think. Oh my god. Now don't come.
None, no?
Yeah.
Sorry. Oh, I eat food.
So finally done installing the vault. It was an experience, I would say. And here you can see the Polyvault Mini. Big thank you to Polyvault for sending me their product. I mean, by the looks of it, it does protect the bike 360 degrees. I don't think any kind of rodents are going to go inside, neither any kind of cats are going to go inside and scratch my seat. At the same time, I do have trees here to cover, but the rain also, I feel like this will protect your bike from the rain as well as from the dust in a much better way as compared to traditional normal bike covers. So if you all wish to purchase a Polyvault Mini or a Polyvault Den for your motorcycle, so this one comes for mostly bikes under 650cc, like you would say a Interceptor 650 or a Duke 390 or a Duke 200, or any kind of, even like I would say a KTM Adventure would fit in this. But if you want for like big bikes like a Ducati or a ZX10R, then you would have to go for the higher variant of the Polyvolts. So do check out their website or do shoot them a DM if you are interested in getting this. This is JF Rides. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.